and you just pour the almond milk over. You can strain the almond milk if you would like. I don't strain my almond milk when I'm using it to pour into cereal because I like the almond pieces. However, if you want to strain them, if you don't want the almond pieces in, you can definitely strain it to have something that's more the consistency of cow's milk. So you can strain it, but again, I don't. And with raw nuts, they need to soak 8 to 12 hours in order to activate the digestive enzymes so that they'll digest themselves. And so the almonds are definitely soaking in the water that I poured in. So by tomorrow morning, the almond milk will be ready to drink or eat. And so now with this bowl, I'll put saran wrap over it and I will put it in the refrigerator. And tomorrow morning, I will have oatmeal. If you would like it to be warm, what you can do is get your food dehydrator. You can take out some of the shelves and put the bowl into the food dehydrator. And then you'll set the temperature to 104 degrees. If the temperature is above 118, then it cooks the food and it's no longer raw. So a safe temperature is 104 degrees because it might get a little bit warmer. And then maybe set it for about 30 minutes. And then you'll have warm oatmeal. If you leave it on for hours, then it will dehydrate it, and then what you'll have is granola. And that's something that we'll make on another day. All right, well, we have made our oatmeal. I'll just put the saran wrap over it, put this in the refrigerator, and I'll have a bowl of oatmeal for breakfast in the morning. I'll probably slice bananas on it, but you can put apples and raisins, any type of fruit that you want. I'll put bananas on mine, but I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.